Alright, so today we're gonna do another how-to video with Eric and Marcos. Where's Marcos? Marcos!
They're chasing me! They're after me! Run!
Okay. So nature can be a very tough place to survive in, you can say. So there are several things we need to survive. What are those things that we need to survive?
Water.
Where can we get water?
Somewhere over there.
Huh. Okay.
Let's go.
This one, right?
No. Water.
Ah, water. So now we have water, but what do we do now?
You have to carry it.
With our hands?
No. I got something good enough to hold this water.
What?
Right here. With this, we can hold the water. I can get in this bottle and give it to you.
No.
Let me give you some for you, bro.
You're so...
Ah. Here you go, bro. Got you some
What?
fresh water.
Is it even clean?
Yes.
It's pretty good.
Survival.
So the second thing to survive is apparently we gotta make friends with the, not nature, but natives. Apparently there's some natives over there that know how to play basketball apparently. So we're gonna see if we can teach them our ways or whatever. Let's go. So we're almost there. Can you believe that? We're almost there.
Mm-hmm.
So now what? Do we just like...
Wait, there's one. A native. We gotta first make contact with him. Let me go first. You send that.
So that was pretty scary. We almost got hit by a boulder. Did you get hit?
Yes.
Ah, that was tiring. They're pretty fast, I gotta admit. So now the third thing I guess we need is food. We're pretty tired now. So now what?
We got food.
Where?
Here.
Lettuce?
Food. Survival.
So I wasn't gonna eat that, so I ordered Kiki's. Car's over there. I don't know if you can see it. I think he's lost. We're over here. Kiki's. 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 Alright, so I guess we're gonna have to go eat. No! Don't chase after it, no! The final thing is basically just enjoy nature. Yeah, like, just look at all those little... Look! A butterfly, Marco. Food! No! Food! No! So this concludes our first episode of How To with Eric and Marcos.
Survival. Survival.
Knowledge. Get some.